Okay guys, today we're gonna show you how to clean your RDF. This unit is set up for pump set. As you see, the unit is running right now, and it's keep doing it every, I would say, 1 or 2 minutes. So it needs to be cleaned. So you get this at Home Depot. It's a calcium lime and rust removal. I'll just pour it into a cup here, bowl here. Wear gloves and then a sponge. And this is my pond right here. The last few days I've been feeding it very heavy. I'm feeding a lot, very heavy. So here it is. This is the unit. And then here is the drum. As you see, it's very dirty. It needs to be cleaned. The last one, there you go again. You see it? It's less than 1 minute. It's already clean. So this is no good for the water bill, and it's no good for you. So we need to clean it. So what you do is, you go over here. You go ahead and turn up the controller. When we do that, the controller will turn up the pump also. Okay, remove the lid. Okay, soak a little into here. Okay, going up, and all we do is just apply like that. Just scrub it. Do a good scrub. Okay, scrub it again. You see some of them already torn off, but the screen itself is not torn off yet. So we just have to do it, and then we have to wait. We'll give it a good scrub. Now we're down here, don't worry. This thing is, the pond is 8,000 gallons. So it's not going to do any harm to your fish. Okay, I'm going to soak some more. Okay. Like that. Okay, now we'll try to go to the other side and do the same for the other side. Now we're gonna move my bucket here to the other side. Okay, over here. Okay, on the other side. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Let's scrub. Okay, now after you scrub it, you're gonna leave it for about 15 to half an hour. And we're gonna come back. Okay? So right now we're just gonna leave it the way it is. You scrub it. You're gonna forget it for another 15 minutes. Set your timer, and you're gonna come back for another 15 minutes, okay? All right, thank you.